wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best mini split heat pumps. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Achieve superior airflow in any room with the Klimaire KSIF018. A large diameter blower wheel, hydrophilic heat exchanger and 3 adjustable fan settings work to ensure long-range coverage, while the auto clean feature prevents the growth of harmful bacteria over time. It comes with built-in freeze protection and oscillating louvers. However, the remote's batteries don't last long. At number 9, the classic America Ductless has a built-in thermistor protection device within its evaporator coil. If the coil's temperature drops to 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit, the device proactively turns the compressor off in order to protect the unit from freezing and charge loss. It's equipped with an active carbon filter, which also helps to control odors, but the instructions aren't very helpful. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Della 15 SEER is equipped with a programmable timer that makes it easy to set optimal indoor conditions up to 24 hours in advance. Its use of horizontally swinging oscillating louvers delivers evenly distributed ventilation throughout an entire room at all times. This one offers 3 available fan speeds, and the manual is easy to follow. However, its defrost cycle is rather annoying. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mini split heat pumps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the smart infrared eye sensor built into the Daikin 17 series automatically cuts power to the unit after 20 minutes if no movement is detected within a room, making it a significantly more cost-effective alternative to many continuously running central HVAC systems. It includes a wall mounting bracket and a 10-year limited warranty, but its remote control is bulky. Moving up our list to number 6, the Daikin Int Blue 2 offers a compact, energy-efficient design complete with intelligent defrost, heat and air conditioning modes. Its advanced inverter technology works to maintain steady temperature cycles, while also ensuring rapid and extremely quiet operation. It features a low-voltage startup and insulated copper tubing. However, the LCD on the remote is hard to read. Halfway up our list at number 5. Setting the Gree U-Match apart from much of the competition is the integrated self-diagnostic function, through which both its indoor and outdoor units run continuous scans and tests to ensure optimal operating conditions without the need for comprehensive troubleshooting. It's equipped with a condensate drain pump and an unobtrusive ceiling-mounted cassette, but it is a bit on the pricey side. At number 4, using the convenient Follow Me feature, the remote control accompanying the DuctlessAire DA2421 can be used to override its automatic shut-off process from almost anywhere. An integrated HEPA filter traps harmful contaminants like pollen, pet dander, and dust mites. It boasts a 24,000 BTU output and an integrated self-cleaning function. However, it takes a while to install. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Avoid costly professional installations by investing in the mrcool do-it-yourself. This high-efficiency ductless system includes pre-charged line sets with R410A refrigerant, as well as quick hookup electrical connections to get you up and running in just a few hours. It includes integrated leak detection, a variable speed compressor, and an energy-saving auto sleep feature. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mini split heat pumps, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Pioneer WYS012 produces up to 12,000 BTUs of warmth and provides an available climate range of between 62 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Its outdoor component is constructed from heavy-duty galvanized steel, allowing it to withstand extreme weather conditions. It's got a dimmable LCD on the indoor panel and 4 operating modes, plus it maintains its memory after a power loss. And coming in at number 1 on our list, add year-round climate control to any small home, garage or place of business with the Senville Leto series. The variable inverter compressor allows the system to reach an optimal temperature as quickly as possible without a dramatic increase in energy costs. It comes with a programmable infrared remote control and 16 feet of sturdy copper line. It operates very quietly too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for mini split heat pumps, or simply click beneath this video.